How to modify an account in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to modify or edit an existing hosting account in WHM. Click Account Functions. Then click Modify an Account. Click the account you wish to modify. We'll choose the anotherdomain.com account. Then click the Modify button. This is where you can modify an account. You can change the cPanel theme, the number of allowed email accounts, mailing lists, MySQL databases, FTP accounts, subdomains, parked domains, and/or add-on domains. Let's go ahead and change a few things. When finished, click Save. If there is a conflict between the package and your chosen settings, choose one of these options. We'll create a new package with these settings. Click Proceed. That's it. The account has been modified. You can return to the Modify an Account screen at any time, as customers may periodically want to upgrade their accounts. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to modify an account in WHM.